Hey, Man's Montreal Nation. This is a special Man's Montreal Live Thursday night. What? Thursday night? It's not Friday? No, it's not Friday. It's Thursday night. And, well, basically, it's the calm before the storm. We're waiting for the big first 2022 seasonal blizzard. So, the debate I was having all day with my peeps and my viewers and my friends and my followers is, well, it all depends what source you look at to get the most accurate picture of how much snow we're going to get in Montreal. So you can go ahead and watch 10 different channels, 10 different sources, and you're going to get 10 different forecasts. But the one that matters is the one from Environment Canada. And Environment Canada is saying 25 to 35 centimeters that will start falling 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, Friday, and it's going to run up until Sunday noon. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. So tomorrow we're going to get 25 centimeters. Saturday we're going to get 10 centimeters, 35, and then it'll taper off to flurries on Sunday morning, maybe 1 centimeter. So that's the forecast you need to be checking on a regular basis. Never mind all the others. Never mind the TV channels. Never mind your newspaper. Well, actually, newspaper doesn't quote forecasts. The last time I think I saw a forecast in a newspaper was the USA Today in 2012 when I was down in Florida. And that was not accurate because by the time you read it, the forecast has changed like 30 times already. So there you go. Calm before the storm. Be prepared. If you don't have to be out tomorrow, don't go out. No, just hunker down and tune it in here to EMMANUELS Montreal, because tomorrow we're going to be doing a special snow day 24-hour live stream here on EMMANUELS Montreal. That's right. So come on back tomorrow. Stay safe and have a good evening.